I've got a BMW e90 3 Series. It's got a brake inspection light that's come on, and I'm going to show you how to reset that. So just put the car on, foot off the brake, you'll see that red brake inspection. So you press and hold this until you see so we've got to first clear that. You press and hold this until we see a yellow triangle. Okay, it's showing brakes. Which one is it? Okay, 0Ks and 0K. So we're going to reset these two. Reset yes. It doesn't reset. Okay, so this is the front sensor. This is the front brake sensor. I've just pulled it apart. That's the sensor part. Okay, and this is the part that comes from the car. You see those two bottom pins there? So I've just made a short circuit bypass. It's just a piece of wire, thin piece of wire like that. And what I'm going to do, circuited the brake sensor. This part here is from the car. I'm going to go inside and reset it by holding the odometer in, and that'll take away the brake error. There seems to be some issue with the old sensor where the car knows the ohmage of it, and it needs to see that it's been changed. The sensor's been changed, which would normally happen with a brake service. But if you remove your sensor before the brake pad wears it through, you can reuse it. So by doing this, this is a way to reset the car's memory of the sensor, and you can carry on and plug the old sensor back in and carry on. So long as this part here, this is the part that goes into the car, into the brake pad, as long as that's not worn down. You can see this one's not worn down, so we can reuse that.